Hi, welcome back. Again, we're continuing our review of possible test questions you might encounter in a circuit analysis course. We've got here a circuit. Looks pretty simple at first, a voltage source with a pair of resistors in series. But notice that they've marked the currents going through each of these elements in different directions. So we've got a current IR1 going through resistor R1 in the clockwise direction, similarly with the current IR2 going in the clockwise direction through R2. However, the current going through the voltage source V1 is marked as counterclockwise. So that might be a little bit confusing at first. So just keep that in mind. We're given three statements here. We've got to identify each of these statements as either true or false. Let's look at the first statement. We've got IR1 times resistor 1, so current times a resistance is a voltage. IR2 times resistance R2 is again a voltage. Current times the resistance is a voltage. But then we've got a current IV1 times a voltage V1. A current times a voltage is not voltage, so automatically statement 1 cannot be true. And you'll see that I've already marked that because this is my second try at this video. Next question, B. We've got IV1, a current times voltage V1. So current times the voltage is power. And they're asking, is this negative or positive? Well, to figure this out, we've got to remember how power is actually defined. And power, of course, is a current times a voltage. But there is a sense the current and the voltage are arranged in a particular sense to generate a positive value for power. And that is, power will be positive when the current flows in the direction of greater voltage to lesser voltage. That will give you positive power. Here we've got the current is flowing from greater voltage to lesser voltage, and so therefore this will produce a positive value. So again, we're going to choose false for B, because that should be a positive value. If the current had been flowing in this direction, up, or that is clockwise in the circuit, then the current times this voltage would have been indeed negative. Then the last one, we've got IR1, the current going through this resistor, is equal to the current IR2 going through this resistor, which is equal to the negative of the current going through the voltage. So negative IV1 would actually be pointing in this direction, and that has to be true because there's only one current that can exist in one loop. So this is definitely true. And we'll stop there.